Today it's 31st of January 2025, and today I will give you my technical analysis. Like you can see that I have given the technical analysis yesterday, and majority of my technical analysis, especially gold, Bitcoin, everything went into the direction like I have predicted in the video yesterday. So I will be going to give the prediction based on the technical analysis based on my personal indicators. Okay. So the first one that we use the bank order indicator that is also listed on our website fxmentorus.com. So please find the detail of our website in the description of this video. So right now you can see that Great Britain pound JPY is already rejected on the 15-minute chart from the bank selling order. And right now, if the price continues to go down, then our first target is available at 191.200. And if the price breaks below, then it will be targeting the next level that is available at 190.500. Right. So overall, the concept looks bearish so far. Okay, let's go to the gold. Very interesting. If you just watch my yesterday video, I have taught about the bullish position on gold. Why? Because it was closed above the dotted red line, and as per this indicator, if the price action closes above the dotted red line, it's a buy signal for us. Okay, and you can see that when I have made the video, the price was somewhere at 2767 or 70, and then you can see the price went up to 2800, and that's what I predicted in my yesterday technical analysis, that gold is bullish and it is targeting the top levels that are available here. Okay, guys. So first of all, let me tell you, because now I am going to give you the forecast of gold as well. But let me tell you that if you want to book the lifetime version of the bank indicator or the second indicator, which is our big players indicator. Okay, so this is also a very interesting indicator, and we choose the depth one, and then we go to the style section and we check on the labels. Okay, even if I show you on the bank on the big players indicator, the market has reached to the maximum levels. Now we will wait for the two moving average to be crossover with each other, and then the bearish trend will be started. Because first of all, you need to understand this thing, that if I show you, like if we go to the 1 hour chart, then you can see we don't have, I think so, a bank selling order right now. So the price is very overbought, so that's very risky to buy at this level. I am repeating again, it's very risky to buy at this level, because the bearish pressure can come and we can expect a bearish day. And then until unless we don't find any good level to buy, for example, if the price reaches to the 2758 level, this could be our good buying area, and this will be like 2743, this would be our good buying area. But right now, if you ask me, should we take a buy position from here, that will be very wrong, because this will be very risky. Just look at the daily candle, the gold has broken all the highs, so be careful. That's my recommendation. Rest, it's your choice. Okay, so if we look at the pound USD, it has already dropped. So if it first of all, it reached to the bank buying order, so the bullish pressure should come from here. Otherwise, the perfect bank buying order remains at 12.23770. This is the most interested part, where I will be looking for my entry. Okay, if we go to Euro USD, okay, Euro USD, you can see this is the live example. The price action is closed below the dotted green line, and I have told you many times, if the price closes below the dotted green line, it's a sell signal. So it is mostly sure that the price is targeting 1.03420, and then my good buying level will remain at 1.03040. That would be my good entry to enter into a buy position. Okay, if we talk about USD CHF, it's already into the bullish trend, but my good position will be at this level, that is the proper bank selling level at the 0.91500. Okay, there is a theory about it. So okay, that's why I am taking, because I am telling you the lower bank levels that are available here and that are available here, they are going to work much better, even if you talk about Euro HD. Let's go to USD CAD. Okay, USD CAD is going up, and it looks most probably that it is going to target the top level that is available below 1.46 thousand. Okay, so it looks bullish to me. Okay, so the next one, let's go to the major one, like AUD JPY. AUD JPY already went up, and it has the intention to target the 96.800. So it's a bullish thing. Okay, let's talk about Australian dollar USD. Okay, so if you just look at here, it is rejected from the bank selling order, but looks to me that the price will target the bank selling level that is available at the top. That is 0.62550, or it can also target 0.62430. So I'm bullish on Australian dollar USD. Let's have a look on Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, I'm telling you from the last 3 days, it's basically bullish, and actually it is heading towards the bank selling level that is available at uh, below the 50,000 level. So the things should be bullish on Bank Nifty. Okay, and let's go to US 100. Okay, we are also coming to the crypto side, so don't worry. US 100, it's a bullish. It has given a close above the dotted red line. It's bullish. Okay, US 30. US 30 looks bullish and looks like that it will target the area that is available at 21,950. It can happen today. It can happen on Monday. So I will keep you updated with the analysis. Okay, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is right now, it's dropped because first of all, I told you that my yesterday analysis told that the price can go somewhere near 107,000, but it is rejected from 106.2. But still, that was enough time because when I made the video. Okay, now if you talk about the buying chances, so guys, right now it's into the downward trend, and I hope that these bank buying levels will be dropped, and the good buying will be here. Just take one chance from 103,400. Otherwise, if it keeps drop further, then we will be taking our chance from 10140 level, because this is going to work much better. If we talk about the last two levels that are available, they are going to work much better. Okay, guys, so you can also book the lifetime version of this indicator by visiting our website. If you go to the indicator section, then you can find the details about the big players. You can find the details about the bank indicator, and then you can use the contact us option to book the lifetime version of this indicator through Telegram or email. Okay. Okay, so what's next? If we talk about the Shipcoin already has received a boost, but looks like that things are little bit it looks bearish to me, so better instead of selling, just look at this zone 0.018210. This could be a good buying opportunity for a ship coin as well. Okay, so now let me show you that let's talk about the big players indicator. Okay, so this indicator is very interesting. It consists of three levels. So let's go to gold. I have already reviewed it. Okay, so if we go to the, because this works on the 5 minute. Okay, now you can see we already have bearish crossover. So I am bearish on gold because first of all, you know that there are three levels on the chart. Okay, this is the overbought levels, and the market has already made a bearish crossover, so things looks very bullish, bearish, sorry. Okay, and if we go to pound USD, so where the market is coming from, that's we need to check. So overall it also looks bearish, and looks like that it will target the lower oversold levels here. Okay, let's go to euro USD. Euro USD already reached to the level, so let's wait for the new signal by the big player indicator. And USD CHF already in the bullish trend and already reached to the price. Okay, so there is a difference because they are and you can also increase the width. For example, if I go to the setting, if I choose the depth through now, depth 2, now you will see a swing method. So what is happening on pound AUD? It is rejected from the overbought levels. We have the bearish crossover, and now the price is actually targeting towards the green line that you see in the middle. If we see on Bitcoin, and Bitcoin right now, why it is rejected? Because it was the overbought levels, and we have the bearish crossover, the price is down. Okay, so here you need to be very careful because this is the swing method and already in the uptrend. But overall, if the bearish scenario continues, then just note down this pressure, 97,441. So what is the difference between the bank indicator and the big player indicator? The bank indicator basically provides you the levels that are available on the higher time frames as well, and this is much better. Like if you are a level trader, go for the bank indicator. If you are a scalper and also you want to do swing trade with the help of moving averages and the big players levels, then you go for that. There is a difference because there is a different of utility between the both indicators. So guys, this is all about the today's analysis. Hopefully you will keep an eye on the market, and if you want to book the lifetime versions of this indicators, you can contact through Telegram. Email links are given in the description of this video. Thank you very much.